Scottie, you gave me a surprise.
And Bill at the same time. Now,
Well, you gave me a surprise first, but now we're going to show
I got to go over it again with the chemicals that I use because I try to do the least amount of aggressive chemicals because the product is so old. So if you guys look, this is what we pulled out of the car on the inside.
This is the interior.
Yep, it goes around the windshield like this.
Yep.
So this is the driver's side, this is the passenger
And then over
side.
here is where your visors are.
Yeah, so visor here, then visor here.
Okay, so bring that back.
So, I mean, it was pretty bad. I mean, and it is pretty bad. But I used the lightest chemical that I own to do this type of work.
Okay.
So.
You want me to unveil?
Yep, go right ahead. And that's my first.
That's the first pass.
Attempt with the chemicals and the cleaner. So, I mean, I want to go over it a little bit more to get some of the fine tuning.
There's still some more.
Yeah.
But look at how much, because it looked all like this.
Yeah.
Wow, Scottie, that's impressive. And that's only, what, 5 minutes? Maybe?
Closer to 10 to be on the safe
All
side.
right, we'll say 5 to 10. We'll say 7.5.
Yeah, works for me.
But
I'm trying to salvage as much of the parts as I can so that we can keep the car as close to 98% original
as possible. Yeah.
But that's so much better. I mean, I got to do it again. Like I said, it'll probably take me 2 or 3 passes to get it completely back to like right here where it came out really, really good.
But look at that.
I mean, there's just a little bit here.
But it's night and day. Look
Oh, yeah, it is. It's complete.
Splendid. Kind of splendid.
Icky.
Horrendous, but very fixable.
So.
Looks very nice, Scottie. Nice work.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Nice work. All right, what else we're going to go over before we button up for the day?
No,
You're done? Let's just
done.
do a quick little walkthrough. Because you and I pulled we pulled the visors off.
Yep.
We're working on getting the trim off here, which we'll finish in the morning. Yep. So we need to do this trim. And then Scottie's going to take care of the trim that...
Well, the painters, I may leave this with the painters, and then when they're ready and they pull it off, we'll take it and go get it done.
Yeah.
Unless...
I think we can get
Yeah,
it.
no, this has got the window dew strip on it as well.
Yeah.
So we may have to replace...
Oh, we're going to have to replace them all anyway, because look, they're all nasty.
Yeah.
So we'll probably pull that before we take it then.
But I can get to all the screws so far.
Yeah, so let's go ahead.
On the black and lining and stuff like that. But yeah, it's coming out good.
So we'll get that out. And the top did work, which we've discussed.
So I'm thinking if we just bleed the lines.
But
I mean, with as old as they are, we might as well put new lines on.
Yes, but not from ACP.
But not from ACP, correct.
Gotcha. All right. I guess we'll call that a day, huh? Scottie?
I call that
one hell of a day. I mean, it's almost ready to take to the body shop just for them to give us a quote, and then it'll come back here, and we'll probably do all the suspension stuff.
Yep.
We can actually get it on a lift probably maybe close to the end of next week, I'm going to say.
Well, I think by the
Gotta get the Camaro
end of
done.
tomorrow, I'll have all the rest of the chrome and everything off, and I can start planning up how we want to approach it for getting it clean. Like there's some really bad rust right there, stuff like that, but salvage as much as humanly possible.
Yeah, you got to get the wheel arches off.
And I mean, I don't want to have to replace anything we don't have to. If I think I can salvage it and fix it and straighten it, I'm doing that. I want to keep this car as original as possible because it is all original. It's never been molested or modified or changed or nothing. So. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you. I appreciate the views. I appreciate the comments, everything. But it's time for Scottie to pack up